coffee break. There's a queue here, and I picked someone from the queue. Who are you, and what brings you to JCON?
Hello, my name is Rick Ossendrijver, and I'm giving yesterday I gave a workshop, and tomorrow I'm giving a talk here at JCON.
And your topics?
My topic is yesterday was on transforming code with Open Rewrite and Refaster. I did it together with Tim de Beek from Modern. And tomorrow it's about saying goodbye to bugs and anti-patterns with error prone.
Okay, saying goodbye to bugs. Everyone wants to do that. How do I do that?
Well, we at Picnic, I work at Picnic as a software engineer, an online grocery store based in the Netherlands, where we heavily rely on error prone. It's a static analysis tool for Java, which not only detects bugs in your code, but also can automatically fix them for you.
Okay. And is it error prone? Is it a tool you run next to your application? Is it a library? How do you use it?
It's a compiler plugin, so it runs as part of our build. So we use Maven, and if you do like a Maven clean install, it will run a lot of extra checks to analyze your code and see if you have any like code style issues or bugs. You can also write your own rules, and that is what we do a lot at Picnic. We write many rules to increase consistency across all our applications, because error prone runs on all our 70 plus different repositories, to have very consistent code base and have the lowest amount of bugs possible in our code base, of course.
So it's not during your tests, it's really analyzing the code.
Exactly. Yeah, it's like when you compile the code, just when the compiler is done, error prone can kick in and uses the extra context that is made available by the compiler to do a much more thorough analysis. And then it tries to find all the bugs and anti-patterns in your code base.
I have to try it out. So you also gave a session about Open Rewrite. We already mentioned it before when we were talking about the move from Java X to Jakarta. That's one use case. What did you show yesterday in the session?
Well, so Tim and I both have a passion for improving code quality, and preferably like in an automated fashion. And we both have our own way of getting there. So we use error prone a lot, and he is from the Open Rewrite perspective. What we wanted to do with the workshop is basically show both ways in which you can reach like this level of automation and automatically improve your code base quality, and give a lot of hands-on experience to all the participants. And then we ended with like a nice comparison and show how you can use both of the tools and which one is best at which parts of automatically improving your code base.
So it's a combination, I guess.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what is a strong point of each of those?
So error prone is meant to run as part of your build. So every time you build your code, it will do the analysis, and Open Rewrite is more for running once every 2-3 weeks. See what it finds, because it takes a lot more time to run it, unless you use their platform. So yeah, I would say that's the first big difference, and the other one is that error prone is mostly on a per compilation unit basis, so it analyzes per source file, whereas Open Rewrite makes like a big model of your whole code base, analyzes all the files, and then for that reason can do a lot bigger migrations and refactorings compared to error prone.
So I was thinking, as Open Rewrite is something you use if you want to go from Spring 2 point something to...
Exactly. And that's also something we used at Picnic.
Yeah, but you're saying that you can use Open Rewrite continuously also. So what will it give you at that time?
So error prone is more for the continuous usage.
Okay, yeah. So you use Open Rewrite if you want to bump to a newer version of your framework, libraries.
Exactly, or if we want to find some common static analysis issues, for example, then every once in a while we run it to see, hey, did it find any new issues, and then we commit that, for example.
Okay, you're here as a speaker. I guess you're also visiting some of the other talks. Any specific one that you're looking forward to?
Well, I also am practicing a bit more for my talk from tomorrow. So I have no specific plans yet for talks.
But that's the fun thing about the conference. You just pick one room.
Exactly.
Yeah, and definitely see whatever is being presented. Most of the times you learn something new.
Exactly. Yeah. True.
What did you already visit? But yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so I guess we only had 1 or 2 sessions.
Well, yesterday was a rough day. It was a very long day with preparations and everything. So I had I needed some extra sleep.
That's why you were in the queue for the coffee.
Exactly. You got me.
Okay. Have fun today.
Thank you.
Enjoy the conference, and then have also fun with your session.